Now with another video of medical education series, utility index formula for professionalism. It is asked in exams that write down the utility formula for multiple choice questions, structured essay questions, OSCE and reflective portfolio. So here we will discuss one by one that first MCQ. Now we all know that multiple choice questions have got very high validity when it comes to the checking of cognition, but psychomotor skills and professional skills, it has got less value because they are the skills which are checked by other tools of assessments like psychomotor skills by OSCE and professionalism by reflective portfolio 360-degree multi-source feedback. So then comes the reliability of the MCQs. MCQs are reliable because the performance is repeatable via MCQs because knowledge remains same of professionalism. Multiple choice questions have got 2 marks for educational impact. You can check the knowledge of a person via MCQs, so it has got some educational impact. Cost effective MCQs are very cost effective, that we all know, so we have got full marks. Feasibility MCQs are also feasible. Now acceptability is not that much for professionalism, so that's why we have given 1 mark. So when you multiply these, the total is 24, and when you add these, the total is 11. So that's for MCQs. Now comes to the structured essay question. Again, for professionalism, it is not usually used, so 1 mark for validity, 1 reliability, 1 educational impact, and definitely the SEQ is also cost effective, so 3 marks for cost effectiveness, 2 marks for feasibility and 1 for acceptability. So it has got low score of 6 if you multiply it and 9 if you add it. So SEQs are not a good option to check the professionalism. Then we have got OSCE. Now in OSCE we check professionalism, so it is a valid test, it is reliable as well, and it has got high educational impact, cost effect. Now OSCE is a little bit less cost effective because you need lot of human resource and lot of faculty. It is acceptable to the students, to the teachers, to the administration, and it is also feasible to check professionalism. So if you multiply the score of OSCE for professionalism, we have got 96, and if you add 13. Now comes reflective portfolio. Now that is the ideal assessment tool to check professionalism, so it is highly valid. We have given 3 marks. It is reliable. We have given 2 marks. It has got good educational impact. It is a bit cost effective, but as it is made for professionalism, so you will give 2 marks. It is also a feasible tool because it has got a good assessment method for professionalism, so we will give 3 marks, and it is acceptable by everyone, so we will give 3 marks to reflective portfolio. So when you multiply the score of reflective portfolio as an assessment tool for professionalism, you get 216, and when you add you get 15. So reflective portfolio, according to the utility index formula, reflective portfolio is the ideal assessment tool to check professionalism. And that's how, if you are asked in exam to check professionalism or to check psychomotor skills, when you are asked to check psychomotor skills, then OSCE will get highest marks. When you are asked to check cognitive skills, then MCQs will get highest marks. So that's how you score through utility formula. So I hope after watching this video you will be able to use utility formula. Thank you.